product experience is the main experience, while variants are different versions or options of that same product. To create a variant, following are the steps. Firstly, hover over the product for which you want to create variant. You'll find the Add Variant option right here. Select the Add Variant button to generate variants that are associated with your Shopify product variants. Mark the variant you wish to generate, and then click on Save. After completing that step, navigate to the Experience screen and select the Show Variants button. A new variant has been generated for your reference. Upon opening this particular experience, you will observe the name of the experience. The title of the experience has been automatically retrieved from your Shopify store. You have the option to manually edit title. You will notice these controls over here titled Share with Parent. By default, they are pre-selected, and all the settings from your parent experience have been duplicated. This implies that any experience settings you've configured are being shared with your variant. For example, if you wish to make manual modifications, just uncheck the Shared with Parent option and choose the specific image you want to select. You can apply a similar approach to the product description as well. Just deselect the option and input the desired short description that you want to use. Similar with the advanced settings. The choices made in your parent experience are displayed here as shared with the parent. You have the option to uncheck and choose manual settings if needed. As you can see, the modules configured in the parent are also visible in the variant. To have different modules, navigate to the Build Experience and deselect the Share with Parent product option. After completing that action, you'll see an option to manually add modules. I will add one module and click Save. Now let me demonstrate your parent and variant experience. As you can see, this is your parent experience and this is your variant experience. You can also add variants manually. Just click on the experience for which you want to add a variant. Navigate to the Select Variants tab. Click on the New Variant option and fill the mandatory fields. And click Save. To view all the variants you've created, go to the experience, hover over it, and click the Show Variants button. You can observe that the Shopify connected variant is displayed here, while the manually created variant is labeled as Manual Variant. Here is the newly created variant.